What's up? This is Agent News Future Tech here. So I have Windows 7 Ultimate coming. That's a 64-bit disk, 32-bit disk, the key and the cover and everything with it. It's just missing 64-bit disk. So that's probably a reason why I got that thing so cheap, $35. Shipping needed, not included probably, but you understand how serious this Windows 7 is. How serious the case is and how it looks. Yeah. Considering buying it, it's just going to come like below, like this channel, if you like it. And thank you for watching and share this video the most you can. Yes, I'm counting on you.